Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into my February tray. Honey, my lovely February tray for the month of love. So if you're interested in seeing what's on this tray, honey, because she got some beauties, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see you coming in. I hope you all are doing really, really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, it is February, the month of love. Honey, Black History Month. It's just a good old month. You know, we are in a great month. So welcome to February. I wanted to do something fun this time for my tray because sometimes, you know, I know we go through our different trays and we set them up, but it's always really cute and fun to kind of have a theme maybe to your tray. And so I decided to have a theme tray, and I might do this a time or two or 20. We might have some themes. Anyway, we're going to start off with Zara Wonder Rose So Intense. Honey, this is such a great rose intense fragrance. And those that are new to this channel, I don't go over notes in depth. We might pop some on the screen or something like that, but we really just take a look at what I plan on, you know, rocking and rolling with for this month and wearing. So that's it. You know, we just chit chat on what we wearing, and maybe you want to do a tray too. I mean, it's fun. Allows you to, you know, go through your collection and wear stuff you haven't been wearing in a minute. Anyway, so that's Wonder Rose, again, Intense from Zara. So I'm definitely going to get my wears on that. I think that's going to be a really good like layering type of combination type of situation for me. Then we have Twilly D Hermes. This is the Privy. This fragrance, honey, when I say I love it, it definitely gives you all the spice. And you know, okay, if you don't know, let me tell you, February is about the spice. You know, you gotta be a little sexy, but this is like kind of a lighter spicy scent, so it's not harsh if you're looking for something like that. I mean, it has pink pepper and rose and patchouli. It's a really great fragrance. Now the lasting power on it, it's all right, but we still gonna get our wares with that anyway. I said I wasn't gonna do notes. Look at me. So this is MFK, as we all know, Baccarat Rouge 540. This is the extrait version, your little almond scent. I definitely had to put this on my tray. Definitely good for date night, date day, all the things, all the feels, thrills. She's Miss Popular girl. Yeah, I'm so excited to wear her. And then we have C Passiones. And this is from Giorgio Armani. Honey, this is like your fruity, sweet, kind of woody scent. I have not worn this in a little while, I feel like, but I decided to bring her out because I'm bringing out my red and kind of pink bottles. As you can see, we have a little, you know, a little friend because she does have a little bit of red, but we're gonna get into it. Those that know me, you know I am a gourmand girly. I love all the pies and cakes and ice cream and all of that. So I had to, of course, put a sweet fragrance on my tray, and I picked Lolita Lempica, and this is sweet. Now this is your sweet cherry musk. It does have a little bit of like a chocolate feel on it. Nutty. This is very much a reasonable, affordable option for those that are interested. This I love. Like, I love this cherry. This was probably one of the first sweeter cherries I fell in love with, and I feel like this has to be on my tray like every February. I don't know. I didn't even look at my past February videos. You might want to check that out. But I wouldn't be surprised if that was on there. Not at all, girl. Okay. And then, you know what? I got this Sublime And I have not been able to wear this, but that is such a gorgeous bottle. So I was like, girl, what are you doing with your life? Girl, I'm living. But but I was like, you have to, sis. Look, talking to myself right now, right? But I'm like, you have to, sis, put this on your tray. You got to feel this out, because I feel like I got it. I sprayed it. I loved it. And then that was all she wrote. Is anybody like that? Like, you spray it, you know, you love it, and then you're like, okay, I'm going to wear it, and then you forget about it. And it's not in a bad way that I haven't worn this fragrance. It's really, I just haven't gotten a chance to wear it. So I'm going to wear it now. That's what this tray is for. Again, why I haven't reached for her, but she reaching for her for the month of February. Okay, moving on. Next up, honey, someone please dial 911. Honey, because if I don't put this on my February tray, something is wrong, okay? This is the essence of February and love, okay? This is from, this is Love Dose from Diesel. Honey, look at this bottle. You see this bottle? You see it? Are you looking at it? Honey, this is love. Like, something's wrong with me if I don't put this on my tray every February. I pull that out every February. This is your sweet, some cacao, woody, fruity. It's very warm, spicy. You know, I told you, it's all about the spice, honey, for the month of love. And this is so good. Now, I don't always get a lot of use out of this because I feel like it is suiting for the month of February. And so I normally only pull it out for the month of February. I might try to pull it out another time or two or throughout the year, but don't count on me to do that. Honey, it just is what it is. So I also put Rouge Malachite. Yes, my favorite fragrance. I love that scent. I love that fragrance. Those that don't, I'm so sorry, but I do. I also had to put in Miss Loud Sexy, Don't Want to Let You Go, Miss Strychnina from Vicanto. Now look, I love this bottle, but what I don't love is the lint part of it. And I try to like clean the bottle. Can anybody tell me how they get the lint off? I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Hit me up in the comment section. I lost for words. Anyway, I have Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. Honey, Miss Popular Girl. We all know her. And some love, most love. Then I have also Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee. Now, I tell you what about this fragrance. I haven't even been able to really wear that. So this is the time for it. I was like, put it on your tray, girl, so that you can, you know, really enjoy it and feel it and really get a true sense of who she is. Because the bottle is pretty, right? She's so cute, very pink, very cute, girly. I do love the sparkling kind of fizziness of the perfume. When I first tested it out, it was like an easy reach type of thing, but I want to pair it and see how it fits with some of the other members on my tray. Another affordable option from Target is Finery, another cherry that's supposed to be a dupe of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I do not have Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I have a travel size of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So I can confirm that it is a really good dupe for those who are interested at an affordable cost, okay? Then we have Hypnotic Poison Dior, honey. That is like, let's go back. That's the classic, girl. I mean, I don't know what to say. Now, this is the Eau de Toilette. I did not say that because there is a difference. So this is the toilette version, but I do love that fragrance. Decided to bring that back out. And another oldie but goodie, but have not rocked her, but plan on rocking her in the bedroom. Honey, Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. Oh yeah, I had to bring out Miss Classy, Miss Bougie in the bedroom. So go and bring her out, put her on the tray. Love it, love her life. I also have Navatus Parfums. Embrace. You have seen this a time or 2 or 20. This is such a great sesame kind of almondy, ooey gooey to me gourmand fragrance. Love it down, love her life. Okay, Next up, I have Valentino, Donna Born in Roma. I said to myself, girl, if you don't get rid of this swallow. Y'all see this? If you don't get rid of this swallow, girl, I'm about to knock you out. But I would probably get another bottle. I do love that. I feel like it is this modern day girl sexiness, if that means anything to anyone when I mention stuff like that. But it's very like new school sexy. You know, it's not like I would think like this gives you like real heavy spice, you know, like, you know, she been here, she ready, right? This is like your new ready. She ready. This your new, she ready. Next up, we have Ooh La Rouge. I've always loved this bottle. It is so tall, like you can't even really see it in my, there you go. Okay. It is so tall, but I love this fragrance. I mean, it is definitely an amber, very much a warm, spicy, sweet scent. Has a little bit of a floral, like a jasmine note in it, I believe. Amberwood, musk. You all know how I am about musk. Like, it is really, really good. And I have absolutely enjoyed this. Now, this bottle, now look at this dent. Now, y'all know, your sis and dents, y'all know how I am. But that is, I think that's a good dent. I'm gonna say so myself, pat myself on the back real quick. This is so good. If you can find this, and this is Christian Siriano. He is a fashion designer, and so that's why the bottle looks very, very over the top. Like it has a fur or something, a shawl or a very high neck. I mean, it's just amazing. I love, again, the bottle, but I also at the same time love the scent. So if you can find it, grab it. Highly suggest it for you. And last but certainly not least, honey, I had to put this on my tray. And I know what you're gonna say, sis, this is a black bottle, but do you see the front of it? Did you see the front? Do you see it? I see it. What is that? Red. So it's gonna go on my tray because it got a little red in it. She's just majority black, but it got a little red on the front anyway. So that's Anicio, and that's Miss Popular Girl. I feel like I've been hearing about her so much. This is absolute aphrodisiac. So you know, hello, like she had to be on the tray. I don't know how you going to February or going in February not knowing you need absolute aphrodisiac on your tray. So this is your vanilla. You got some amber in this. When I tell you, it's a little bit of a powdery type of feel, but this vanilla, and when you go out at night, date night, late night, don't hurt them, but you might want to. Depending on who it is, you might want to hurt them. You might just need to let them know who you are. Show up, show out. Go ahead, do it. You know? So that is my tray, family. I hope you enjoyed kind of my show on what I'm going to be wearing and rocking with for the month of February. You know how we do. Again, I'm sorry I missed my tray for January, but we carried that over. But, you know, we always do like a top 5 at the end of the month. And so I'm so excited to see what I was reaching for more. Yeah, so maybe you want to try this. Get your red bottles out. Get the red bottles or your pink bottles, you know. Get the love bottles out, love bottles, so that you can enjoy your love month. You know, I will probably say it in another video, but happy February, happy Valentine's, happy Black History Month, honey. It's just all the feels and thrills. We love it. So yeah, enjoy. Make sure you subscribe. I would enjoy that. Comment down below. Give me the thumbs up. Please share me and thumbs up and engage with me. I really am trying to get to 5K family members by the end of the year. And so with your help, I will reach that goal. But I love you, family. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one told you that you are more than enough or tells you that you're more than enough, honey, yo sis, tell them. Yo sis just did. They mad. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.